Hi guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. Today we are doing probably one of my favorite videos ever to film because it allows me to go thrifting and feel like I have a justifiable reason to go do that. Because if you thrift, you know it is an addiction. And the thrifts here in San Diego where I live are pretty good. So I'm very hopeful that we'll find some stuff. But today we're hopefully gonna find some summer pieces because I've recently realized that I don't have very many cute, whimsical, nicer summer or warm weather pieces. I have a lot of basics. I have a lot of t-shirts like this that I just wear with jeans and some sneakers that maybe have some fun colors. And I want to branch out from that. The other day I was going out with my friends and my friend came over to get ready with me and she just had all of these cute tops. And I realized I don't have like any cute going out tops that I really like, that I think are super flattering, that I think are very summery, whimsical, fun. And so let's change that. I have my summer Pinterest board up right here, which I will be looking to throughout the day just to jog my memory, give me some inspiration on what I'm really looking for. But I feel like all of this kind of falls into two different categories. One is basics, but elevated basics. So that could be like really high quality fabrics or a fun color of a basic beyond just my very basics that I already have, so that an outfit can still be considered casual without being literally jeans and a t-shirt. And then the next category is pretty much all things that I don't own, which is flashy, bright, fun colors, fun patterns. I'm really loving sequins, anything beaded. I feel like Zara Larson maybe is inspiring a lot of this. Lots of fun, funky, bright colored tops in here. Also really fun floral and fun pattern and colored skirts, which I honestly have the worst luck finding at the thrift store. So I'm not super optimistic with that, but maybe today will be my lucky day and I'll find a lot. I love a long flowy skirt and I feel like I never wear them, but they're so cute in such a fun way to have a casual outfit that's not super casual like my current casual outfit. That's kind of what's swirling around in my head for this thrifting day. I have no idea how much I'm wanting to thrift. I might just go to one store and be happy with that. I might go to 5. I never know. I also don't have a strict set budget ahead of time because, again, I could go to a thrift store and there's nothing there and I spend $12, or I find just a jackpot of beautiful, wonderful clothing and will gladly spend like $100. So no budget, but obviously going to find the cheapest stuff we can. I'm just really excited. So it's still morning time. I want to get out before too many other people get to the thrift stores. But really quickly before we go thrifting, I want to show you some fun, really cute things that I recently got to jumpstart this summer wardrobe upgrade. So really quickly, I want to show you guys some stuff that I got from the brand Quince. They were very kind to send me some stuff. This is not sponsored at all, by the way, but I was like, of course, I'll do a little shout out in my video because they're an awesome brand. I've supported them in the past and purchased from them multiple times. Their linen sheets are on my bed right now and I love them and will be purchasing from them again. I just think they're a cool brand. Their whole kind of concept is high quality pieces with natural fibers, high quality fibers that are not polyester and acrylic, which it seems every single brand is only using these days, but they're not selling it to you at such a premium like most other brands, especially right now. So I think their business model is more like direct to consumer from the factory. They're not shipping it to them and then shipping it to you. So that cuts down on some of the cost from my understanding. But yeah, they just have really good quality basics, I think, and they have so much stuff beyond just clothing. But I'm going to show you what I got. So first off is this linen dress, but it's not just a dress, it's a skirt inside, which is so awesome. It's fully a linen material, which is beautiful and wonderful for the summer. Very basic and simple, obviously, but also really pretty, elevated basic, I would say. And then this might be my favorite thing that I got. It's this gorgeous cotton and cashmere tank top. I've literally already worn it out and I just got these things. The color is just perfect. The material is so soft because of the cashmere and just so flattering. It's perfect. I love this one. Another really good basic is just this white cotton sweater, but it has this beautiful rolled neck, which I love, and I feel like it just looks so much more chic and elevated and expensive, honestly. And their stuff is not that expensive, given that the materials are so good and everything is so thick and high quality. This is a heavy sweater. And then I got this beautiful silk skirt. It's so pretty. It's like a little slip and it has this lace on the bottom, which I love. It is 100% silk with a little kitten heel or a little flip-flop. Ah, it's so cute. Very, very perfect for the summer, of course. And then I got some random other stuff because, like I said, they have more than just clothing. I got a little silk sleeping mask because I can't sleep without an eye mask, and I was using a really old, disgusting cotton one, so I got an upgrade. I got a chic little reed diffuser. And then I got a nice little chocolate terry robe because I don't have a robe, and I've been desperately needing a robe because I love just getting out of the shower and walking around and eating or making a drink or having breakfast and sitting on the couch. And I don't want to put clothes on straight after the shower, so I got a robe. But that's everything I got from Quince. Again, this is not a sponsored video. They just sent me this stuff, but I wanted to show it off to you guys because, again, I do really like this brand. And I got some really cute, fun stuff that I thought maybe you guys would be interested in. I try to thrift 99% of the time because stuff is usually better quality and cheaper, obviously, and it's better for the environment. But when I do shop new, I want to make sure that I'm getting high quality pieces that are actually going to last, and these fit that bill. So I'll have everything I showed you in the description below if you want to shop anything. But without further ado, let's get into the thrifting. I'm out and I kind of got a lot of stuff. I also got some like home stuff and other things not related to the mission of this video, but I'm very pleased with what I got. I spent a long time in there. I'm thinking about if I want to go to another, maybe one more thrift, because I'm actually really happy with the amount of stuff I got, and I also want to get a fun drink. So I think I'm going to stop at a coffee shop and then one more thrift. Matcha in tow. I got a caramelized peach matcha. If you're in San Diego, it's from... What I was saying is that this is from Moniker. If you're in San Diego, they have really fun new summer drinks. But now on to our final thrift stop. All right, I'm out of that thrift store. It was kind of a bust, not fully a bust, but I only got 2 things. But the prices were so cheap. Apparently today everything was $2.99. So great prices, but they didn't have a ton of stuff that I wanted. But I got 2 cute things, and I think I have enough now to probably call it a day. So I'm gonna go home, wash everything, and we can do a try on. Okay, I'm back. Everything is washed, tags are removed, and it's try on time. I got a bunch of stuff. Some things are a little bit more basic than I went in looking for probably, and some things are maybe a little small, but I'm always really bad at gauging if something's gonna fit me or not, so I have no idea, but let's just try them on. I'm going in no particular order, but I'm gonna start with tops, and everything was between like $2 and $7 at the absolute maximum, so very good prices. And first one is this little sequin tank top. It's really cool. Love the sequins. I was looking at a lot of sequin stuff in my Pinterest board, and I really love the bottom of this one. It's got a really cute little bubble bottom. I feel like low-key someone could wear this as a dress. I definitely could not, but even with just a little pair of black mini shorts, I feel like this would be really cute. So here's this one. I'm not like totally styling this the best way, but I do actually think it does look cute with jeans, which I wasn't expecting. But this with a little mini black skirt or a pair of shorts and some boots as a little night out outfit, I think would be so cute. I'm not totally sure if anybody actually could wear this as a dress. It's quite short, but I love it, and I love the sequins. This is so fun, very 2000s. I really like it. I feel like I would love it even more if it was a fun color, but beggars can't be choosers. Okay, this next one, you're gonna have to trust the process. This is one that I got with hopes of doing a thrift flip on because I thought the fabric was so cool. This is kind of exactly what I was looking for, print and color wise, but obviously the fit of the top is less than ideal, but the print is just so cool, and I feel like I could totally make a really fun Y2K kind of going out top with this fabric. And I have a lot of fabric to work with, which is awesome, but you do have to trust the process. But this was just a couple dollars and I feel like I can do something really fun with it. Next, I got this beautiful vintage Madden Girl little lacy kind of baby doll top. It has this adorable little bow detail there. This is so cute. The colors are perfect. This part is sheer and then this is opaque. It's beautiful. This is like my dream color palette, I feel like. My one thing that I'm a little bit confused about maybe is that this little armpit part here is sitting really weird on me, I feel like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like stretching here as if it wants to sit up here, but obviously it doesn't. That's not how it's supposed to sit. And so I don't really get how it's supposed to, is it just supposed to be worn this way and like pulling right there? I don't understand. It just doesn't really fit properly. So maybe that's why it was donated. I don't know. I really like it and I'm wondering if there's something else I can do, but it like just doesn't sit properly. I hope you can see what I'm talking about, but it just, I don't like what's happening in the armpit. I want it to like fit tightly, but everything else is beautiful and I still absolutely love the top. It's just a little bit strange. Guys, this might be the most perfect thing I've ever thrifted. This is crochet. This is actual crochet. I don't even know if you can see the stitches because they are tiny, but these are all single crochets in like kind of a fan crochet stitch. It's all crochet, the entire top. If I made this, this would take me genuinely weeks of only doing this. Like, please just take it in. I could cry just thinking about someone putting so much time into this. I knew I had to take it home and just give it a beautiful, loving home, but actually putting it on and seeing how it fits, it's like, it's so perfect. Literally incredible. I've never seen such intricate, tiny stitches. Definitely might be my favorite thing from this entire haul. And I haven't even tried it all on, but this is just like, hello. Okay, so this one, not the most summery thing I've ever purchased or worn, but it does have some lace knit detail in it, which helps my case. And I actually don't know if I love this one. I might end up selling it on Depop or something because I just don't think it fits me perfectly, or I don't know. I just don't love like the top part happening right here. It's also really hot. It's definitely like an acrylic yarn and I'm getting very sweaty. So this is not a summery thing. I probably just shouldn't have gotten this. It's cute though, but not really what I said I was looking for at all. All right, now onto the bottoms that I got, starting with this pair of corduroy straight / bootcut pants. I think these are so cute. I love the little waistband closure here, if you will. I think that's super unique and cool. And I don't really have any light jeans or pants, so I really like this. Obviously it's super basic, but good quality, fits me really well, and you could dress it up with a fun top. Big fan of these. And next I got some bloomer shorts, which I feel kind of insane wearing these. I don't know. Do they look insane to you, or am I just not used to wearing something like this? I don't really know the occasion you would wear them in, but I feel like this is just fun. I want to put some boots on and eat strawberries and run around in a field. I don't know if I like how they look on me. They're kind of fun though, right? And then I got another white short. These are some mid-rise. I think they're cotton or some sort of linen material. Zip up, nicer shorts. I want to say these were J. Crew or Banana Republic or something. Again, this is another one of those kind of elevated basics that is very simple, but it's nice, high quality. You can dress it up. I will say the pockets are fake right here, which is criminal. That should be illegal. None of the pockets are actually real, which I don't understand. But I'm kind of confused because I can see there's actual pockets. So why can I not get to them? They're sewn shut. I'm so confused. Can I just unsew them shut? Is that a thing that happens? And then I'm really upset because I got 2 other bottoms that do not fit me. Starting with these beautiful vintage gingham capris. They're perfect. They're so pretty. They have a really cute little detail on the bottom that is just beautiful. Very thick, high quality fabric. I'm very upset about this. It was an extra small and I knew they looked small, but sometimes I'm wrong about these things and I wasn't. They're just very, very small. I couldn't get them up beyond here. And then these shorts I thought also looked really cool. They are, I think, maybe a 90s brand. The brand's Boogie. And they are super, super cool. That's the brand. Mori Boogie? I don't know. But I loved the color and the material is this really nice vintage wash. But they do not fit at all how I wanted them to. They're just a little bit too small. They fit skin tight on my legs and go down to here, so they just are incredibly unflattering. Again, I just am not the best at gauging what things are going to look like on me and how they're going to fit, so that's a shame because I thought they're going to be loose, flowy lounge shorts and they're just not on me. And then our last item are these little low-rise cargo pants. They're from Sonoma. They're really, really nice material. I love the baggy legs. They're a little bit big, but I like how they look. Tons of pockets that actually work. I love them. I feel like this would be a cute hiking pant or just a casual, cool, everyday pant. Again, not super summery necessarily, but again, I don't know. We don't have to stick too much to the Pinterest board. You never know what you're gonna find. And I didn't want to pass these up because they're super cool. But that's all that I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching and for being here all the way until the end. As always, let me know which one of these was your favorite and let me know if you want to keep seeing content like this. I know a lot of you guys have enjoyed my thrift with me and thrift flip videos, which I will have to be doing a new thrift flip video soon with some stuff from my last thrift with me, as well as this new top that I got. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.